Today we are talking about angle relationships and triangles. Okay, we need to remember that triangles have 180 degrees. Okay, every single triangle, the three angles add up to 180 degrees, exactly 180 degrees, not more, not less, but exactly 180 degrees every single time. Okay, so if we take a look at this first problem here, we have an angle here that's 30, an angle here that's 30. So we have 30 plus this one we do not know should equal 180 degrees. Okay, 30 plus 30 is 60 plus this number we don't know will equal 180 degrees. Subtract my 60 from both sides. X equals 120 degrees. So this angle right here is 120 degrees because we know all three of these angles have to add up to 180 degrees. Okay. Same thing is going to be true on this one. This little notation here means 90 degrees. This is a right angle, so it is 90 degrees plus your 40 degrees plus the angle we don't know will equal 180 degrees total. Okay, I'll let you finish that one on your own. Okay. Okay, then we're going to come down and look at number 4. And the knitting pattern of measure of angle 1 is 42 degrees. Find the measure of angle 2. So angle 2 is this exterior angle here outside of the triangle. Okay, and they've given us this little triangle or this little right angle notation down here. So we have 90 degrees, we have 42 degrees. Okay, now we could figure out this angle here and then subtract from 180, and we can absolutely do that. So 90 plus 42 is 132, which means that this tiny little angle here is going to be 48 degrees. Okay, well, if this is 48, well, then this angle, angle 2, is 132 degrees. So when you have an exterior angle outside of triangle like this, it is equivalent to the uh, other two angles added. So measure of angle 2 here is equal to the measure of angle 1 plus that 90-degree angle there, okay, because they are the opposite uh, angles in the triangle, okay? And again, that is because when you add these up, it gives you this missing angle here, but then you have to subtract that from 180 in order to find that exterior angle. Okay, so you can just know that when you add up the far interior angles, that opposite exterior angle is equivalent to it. Okay, so and another good picture of what I'm talking about is right here in this next one, number 5. So the measure of angles 3 and 1 will add up to equal this measure of angle 4. Okay, so here it tells you measure of angle 4 is 74 degrees. Okay, it tells you measure of angle 3 is 43 degrees. Well, and then it says find the measures of angle 1 and angle 2. Okay, so there are several ways that we can find this. We can find measure of angle 2 by taking 180 minus that 74 here, okay, because 74 plus some number is going to equal 180 there. So we subtract 74, and that's going to give us 106 degrees. So this measure of angle 2 here is 106. All right, and then we can add 106 plus 43 and get 149, and we would plus some number is going to equal that 180. So we're going to subtract that 149 from both sides here in order to figure out that it's 31 degrees. It should be angle 1 here. And we could also see, okay, well, that 43 plus that measure of angle 1 will equal 74 because we know those two opposite interior angles are going to equal this angle. And we subtract 43 from both sides, and you would get that same measure of angle 1 is equal to 31 degrees, no matter which way you decide to solve that. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to draw one more picture of these triangles just so we make sure we know exactly what we're talking about. So this angle here is going to be equivalent to this angle here plus this angle here. Okay, and then this exterior angle here is going to be equivalent to this angle plus this angle. This is our exterior uh, angle theorem. Okay, and this last one, this angle here is going to be equivalent to this angle plus this angle there. Okay?